Yo, it's your boy Boonky back at again with a new video, and today I'm gonna talk about Axie Infinity and the marketplace being down. As an investor who just invested a good portion of his money into Axie Infinity, seeing the marketplace being down, a little bit nervous, but honestly I believe in the project, and I hope that it comes back up. I checked out the Twitter; they really haven't said anything yet, but if you do look in the social space, basically other people talking about the marketplace being down and a lot of people are looking for scholarships. Just talking about Axie Infinity itself, I really do believe that it's gonna be the future in NFT video games or just games that you can actually make money from playing is gonna be the futures, and it depends on really how long this marketplace being down is. Hopefully, it's like for 10 minutes or something. I don't know how long it started or when it started because I just checked my account and I saw that I couldn't play any video game or go into the PvP arena. Didn't know why, but came back like 20 minutes later to check if to see if my Axie has been sold yet, and I saw no marketplace at all. So I tried to refresh, did everything, nothing worked. So by the time this video gets out, I'm gonna hope that the marketplace is back, but I don't know how long that's gonna be. So as an investor in Axie Infinity, there's probably going to be some hiccups because this game has exploded recently in the amount of players that want to actually just get into the multiverse or just the Axie Infinity universe. And I think as any video game, just having massive explosion in players is probably going to be very difficult. Everybody wants to make SOP. Everybody wants to make money from playing this video game. Everybody wants to sell, breed, Axies, fight. So I feel like there's so much demand for this game and it has so much potential. So this little hiccup, hopefully it doesn't affect the crypto space anymore, or it doesn't affect it in the zeitgeist, meaning that other people don't see this game as something that crashes a lot. And as a person that does invest in it, I do think that there's probably going to be some hiccups in Axie Infinity. Honestly, I never made a video game, but I understand that a video game that is jumping by 300% and the amount of players that want to play this game every single month is going to probably hurt the servers, and maybe they just need to take a little break and then try to fix it as best as they can. But as also an investor that actually has a good portion of their money not being able to get their funds out, like not even just the SOP, not being able to sell their Axies if they wanted to, a little bit nervous. But I mean, you had to really understand that this game is exploding and everybody wants to play it, so there probably is going to be some technical difficulties in just Axie Infinity. So that's really my thoughts on it. And what are your thoughts if you have your account like not suspended but not working like mine? Just type it in the comments because you know what, I haven't seen anybody else talk about it. So it's your boy Boonky, also known as Mike Makes Money. Peace.